Join me as I take on the challenge of finding the best money-saving hacks that make saving feel like stealing. Saving money can be tough, especially when it feels like there are so many expenses piling up. We all know the feeling of stressing about making ends meet, and it's easy to get stuck in a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. The truth is, saving money doesn't have to be a pipe dream. Rising costs and unexpected expenses can quickly derail even the best-laid plans. Think about it. Your car breaks down, and suddenly you're shelling out for repairs. Or your favorite store has a sale, and you just can't resist buying that new gadget. These little expenses can add up quickly, making it feel like you're constantly playing catch-up. The thing is, we're not just talking about cutting back on small things like coffee or snacks. Those things do add up, but there are bigger levers you can pull to save money. What's really holding you back from saving is not just about reducing expenses, but also about working smarter, not harder. Many people struggle to save because they don't have a clear picture of where their money is going. It's like driving without a GPS. You might end up lost and frustrated. But what if you could take control of your finances and make saving feel almost like stealing? To start saving like a pro, you need to master the art of budgeting. This doesn't mean you have to live on a spreadsheet 24/7, but rather find a simple, sustainable way to track your income and expenses. There are tons of budgeting apps and tools out there that can help you stay on top of your finances. Another strategy is to get smart about discounts and deals. This could mean using cashback apps, clipping digital coupons, or simply shopping during off-peak times when prices tend to be lower. The key here is to be intentional with your spending and make every dollar work harder. Finding deals isn't just about looking for discounts, it's also about being resourceful. Consider buying used or refurbished items instead of new ones. You'd be surprised at the quality you can find at a fraction of the cost. And let's not forget about rewards programs. If you're not using them, you're leaving money on the table. Utilizing discounts and finding deals can lead to some serious savings. For instance, simply by planning your shopping trips and using coupons, you could save hundreds of dollars a year on groceries alone. That's money that could be going straight into your savings account. Imagine if you could save an extra $500 a month without really changing your lifestyle. That's like stealing $6,000 a year from your own budget. Money that could go towards your goals, whether that's paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or investing in your future. The truth is, making small changes can have a huge impact over time. By implementing just a few of these strategies, you can start to see real progress. You might even find that saving money becomes a fun challenge rather than a chore. So here's the tip. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts. This way, you ensure that you save a portion of your income regularly without having to think about it. Recapping, the strategies we've discussed are simple yet powerful: mastering budgeting, getting smart about discounts, and automating your savings. Saving money doesn't have to be hard or painful. It just takes a little bit of strategy and discipline. If you've got your own saving tips or budgeting strategies that have worked for you, I'd love to hear them. Leave a comment below and let's get the conversation started. And if you're looking for more tips on budgeting, check out my other video on budgeting strategies that actually work.